If you love crab legs, then you have got to try my new recipe for oven crab legs and garlic lemon butter sauce. Hey, Glam Kitchen fam, and welcome new viewers. My name is Shantae, and welcome to my kitchen, the Glam Kitchen. Here in the Glam Kitchen, I absolutely love teaching you how to make top tier recipes at home. Now, let's get you cooking. Make sure you like and subscribe. A major Glam Kitchen key is that all ingredients and instructions are listed below in the link in my description box. If you miss anything, please know you can go there to grab the full recipe. We're going to start out with 2 sticks of unsalted butter. Now, I prefer butter over margarine, but it's your world. You can use what you want. We are then going to melt our butter. Add in some Old Bay, some Mrs. Dash garlic and herb salt-free seasoning. Trust me on this. Squeeze in some fresh lemon juice. Fresh is best. Add a little bit of Louisiana hot sauce. I love the brand Crystal. Then I want you to add in some minced garlic. This is fresh garlic, not out the jar, but again, vibe out if that's what you have to use. And the last thing we're going to add is our fresh parsley. The ingredients for our garlic lemon butter sauce is all in this bowl. Now we're just going to give this a good mix. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up until it is well combined. Now I want you to place your 2 pounds of crab legs in a deep oven safe baking dish, and you are going to brush that garlic lemon butter sauce over your crab legs. Now you're probably thinking, Shantae, why in the world are you using a brush? Why didn't you just pour it over it? And the answer is, I don't know. I just feel that using the brush kind of gets it to stick on the crab legs better than just pouring it in. But again, once your sauce is made, you can do as you please. You can pour it over it. You can brush it over it. It's your world. As you can see, I'm continuing to brush my sauce over my crab legs, making sure that I'm getting it on every inch of my crab legs. And it was at this point where I was like, okay, child, that's enough. I just poured the rest of it in there. Our crab legs are coated in the sauce. And now we are going to get some aluminum foil. And I want you to tightly cover this baking dish with aluminum foil. I want you to bake your crab legs at 400 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. Child, do you see these crab legs? They have cooked for 20 to 25 minutes. They are done and they look so good. This is the perfect recipe for anybody who has a taste for crab legs, but you don't want to make like a whole crab boil. You literally just want to get straight to the crab legs. Okay, this is for you. My oven crab leg recipe is garlicky, it's buttery, it's given top tier. And just like that, that is a wrap on another top tier recipe. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you made it to this point, you are a real one. In the comments, let me know what you would serve with this. Until next time, bye-bye.